Yo, what's up, everybody? The day has finally come. Got the replacement radiator cooling fan. It's finally here. It's not that hard to get off. There's one 10 millimeter bolt right here, and then there's another one across from it right there. And then you just take those two 10 millimeter bolts off. Got to disconnect the cooling reservoir. There's a 10 millimeter bolt for that, so a total of three. And then they just hang on these little hooks right here. One right there. And there's another hook right there where it just hooks up to. Yeah, and then you just put the screws on and you're done. But I'm going to get this thing unwrapped, and then we'll do a side-by-side comparison. Stay tuned. All right, so here we are. Got a side-by-side comparison. And everything is exactly the same. The connector to the motor is the same as to the OEM factory one. Got the three pins right here. This one also has the three pins. Yeah, it looks good. Perfect match. Got the hooks. This is a Dorman, so we'll see how it performs. You know. And then this piece right here, this attaches to the bottom to support the lower radiator hose. Put that on after you install the fan. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on and see how it goes. All right, welcome back, everybody. Got the new cooling fan on. It's all plugged in, bolted right up. This Dorman cooling fan bolted right up. No problem. Everything lined up as it should. So I'm gonna fire it up, and the way to test this is you don't have to wait for the car to get to operating temperature. If you just hit the max AC, it should automatically kick the fan on. So let's see what we got. All right. So we got the AC running. Fan's working. It's working. All right. So that is a successful fix. Fan's working. I don't want to run it too long because, like I said, there's that small little crack on the intake. That's just the compressor you hear. The intake, that will be in tomorrow. But the cooling fan came in today. So everything worked out great with this. But alright, guys, I'm gone. Cooling fan is replaced. Throw that in the garbage. Now it's all that's left is the intake. And I'll bring you guys back tomorrow when I get that. We'll go over it, do a review, check it out. But until then, you guys have a good night, and I'm out.